Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Hydrogen and chlorine react to form hydrogen chloride gas. Which diagram shows the final mixture? Let's solve this chemistry puzzle using stoichiometry and logic. First, look at the initial diagram. We start with 4 molecules of hydrogen and 4 molecules of chlorine. Counting these particles correctly is the essential first step for our balanced equation. The balanced chemical equation shows a 1-to-1 ratio for the reactants. This means every single hydrogen molecule needs exactly 1 chlorine molecule to react completely and form the product. Since we have 4 of each, they react perfectly to create 8 hydrogen chloride molecules. This result makes option C the only correct choice. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing to prevent missing signs. Always trust the given balanced chemical equation.